Okay, now we're going to create our course. Make sure you are inside of your website. So if you're following along with the online instruction that we have on Digital Course Hive, our last step, we finished a funnel, we connected it to an email, and we connected it to a domain. So now make sure that you're in your website by clicking on this section right here and going to websites and clicking on your website. That's going to bring you to your website. You can go here to pages, and then we're going to click add new, and then page group. You may or may not already have a page group of courses inside of your theme, but if you do not, this is how you can create one. So we're going to name this course, click add, and this gives you a folder to now put all of your course pages inside. Next, we're going to click page, and you can start off with our membership and courses templates. But you can also use any of these pages, really. Essentially, this is going to be a page that only certain members have access to because they purchased that member group. And I'll show you what I mean in the next section. But what we're going to do here is we are going to make it, we'll pick this template here. Select and give it a name. I'll call this course page 1. And we're going to add it to the page group course. Now here on your public access, you want to change this to members only and choose your member groups. Right now I'm going to put it as basic members, but in the next section, again, we're going to go over what these member groups consist of. So add. And now you have your first course page. You can go ahead and you can fill in whatever information you want. You can add videos, images, files, buttons, forms, a place where they can book, certain products they can only purchase if they're members, so on and so forth. After you set that up, in the next section, we're going to talk about global columns and creating your next page.